I'm gonna make a challenge where you can only use dash, but not your jockey stick, but you can use everything you own. Okay, should not. Are you serious? Just regen. That was probably. Come on, pick up. Also, I can't see this because I'm poor. It's crazy. It's so fun to move around. Like, you can only using electric. You can't do combat. You need level 510 to do. You need first charge and stuff. Oh, completed. Damage. Bloop. And to get this to lift mastery 200. Everything I didn't got mastery 200, bro. Something I didn't got even mastery 200 right there. Didn't got any single material for grinding. Not the best thing to do. Use your jockey stick, boy. Finally can move around. It's a pain doing it. I forgot. That. What? Take him to the character. Just freeze in place. Oh, I forgot. I didn't equip something. I'm just gonna do some damage. When you're tired, you can just use jockey stick. If you're not, just use dash. And you can also use aura and aura jump and air jump and also flash step, which is pretty easy to move around with. Cool, very stinky. Okay, I forgot two more of these guys. Over if I get Fishman Karate, I'm gonna kill your ass. Oh, nice water kung fu. Forgot. Double tap. Let's go, boy! Wait. There is a problem. See, I don't have my aura actually in full body. I have to grind. I'm still using. Got him. Bye-bye.